Welcome back, everyone, to another exciting episode of the place where we explore everything you need to know about building strong connections, meaningful relationships, and, of course, mastering the art of communication. Whether you're a first-time listener or a long-time supporter, we're so glad you're here today. I'm your host, your name, and I've got something really special for you in today's episode. Now, if you've ever wondered how to leave a lasting impression on someone, how to spark attraction right from the start, or even if you've been struggling with how to connect more deeply with a woman, well, this episode is for you. Today we're going to dive deep into 4 powerful phrases that can make any woman feel an instant connection with you. Yes, even if she's already in a relationship, married, or seems completely out of your league. These phrases aren't just about throwing out compliments, they're about unlocking the right words that resonate deeply with someone on an emotional level. But here's the twist. It's not just about the words you say, it's about how you say them. How you deliver these phrases and the sincerity behind them is what truly makes them work. So if you want to level up your communication game and leave a lasting impression, grab your headphones, get comfortable, and let's dive right in. Phrase 1. There's something about you that fascinates me, but I can't quite put my finger on it. Let's start with the first phrase. This one's got real magnetism to it. It works like a charm because it combines mystery and intrigue, 2 elements that spark curiosity. When you say this, you're telling her that something about her stands out to you, something that draws you in, but you don't fully define it. You leave her wondering, what is it about me that fascinates him? The power of this phrase lies in the mystery. You're not just throwing out a generic compliment like, "You're amazing." Instead, you're highlighting the fact that she's intriguing in a way that you can't quite explain. This allows her to start imagining the qualities she thinks might have drawn you to her, which leads to a deeper emotional connection. Now, the trick is in how you deliver it. It should come across as a casual, offhand remark, not a forced line you've memorized. Keep the tone relaxed and pair it with a genuine smile and direct eye contact. Authenticity is everything here. If it feels like you're trying too hard or desperately searching for compliments, it won't have the same effect. Best time to use it. This works wonders in a casual conversation when you're both feeling at ease. Maybe you're talking about something light-hearted, laughing, or just enjoying each other's company. The key is to say it when the moment feels genuine and comfortable. Phrase 2. I don't know how you do it, but everything feels easier when you're around. Next up, let's talk about a phrase that's all about comfort and appreciation. This line has a very genuine and down-to-earth vibe, and it carries a charm because it focuses on how her presence makes everything feel smoother and more enjoyable. It's not about grandiose compliments or praise. It's about recognizing the subtle yet powerful influence she has on you. When you tell someone everything feels easier when you're around, you're acknowledging that they lighten the mood, that their presence brings a sense of calm, and they make the world around you feel less complicated. It's a powerful way of saying, I appreciate your energy, without being overly sentimental or cliché. What makes this line so effective is its understated sincerity. It's not about blowing smoke up her skirt with phrases like, "You're perfect" or "I adore you." Instead, you're acknowledging that something as simple as her presence has a meaningful impact on you. The delivery of this phrase is crucial. Sincerity is the key. Don't make it sound rehearsed or overthought. It should come across as a natural observation, a little moment of appreciation. Best time to use it. This works best when she's done something that made your day a little easier or more enjoyable. Maybe she helped you out, or she said something that made you feel at ease. This phrase is perfect for relaxed moments when you're both feeling comfortable around each other. Phrase 3. When I'm with you, time just flies by. Now let's talk about a phrase that radiates genuine enjoyment. This line is special because it doesn't just say, "I like spending time with you." It goes deeper. It says, "When I'm with you, I completely lose track of time because I'm so immersed in your company." It subtly tells her that her presence is so engaging and enjoyable that it makes you forget about everything else going on in the world. This phrase works because it feels real and grounded. It's not an over-the-top compliment about how amazing she is. It's more about how her company makes you feel, like time slows down or flies by in the best way possible. It's an understated but impactful way of telling her that being around her feels effortless and rewarding. For this phrase to work, it has to sound natural. If it feels too scripted or like you're reading a line from a dating manual, it loses its charm. The key is to make it feel like a spontaneous thought, not a rehearsed one. Best time to say it. This phrase is perfect after spending some time together. Maybe you've been chatting for a while, enjoying each other's company, or sharing a meal. It's the perfect way to let her know that you genuinely value the time you spend with her, whether it's spent talking, laughing, or even just sitting quietly. Phrase 4. You're one of the most fascinating people I've ever met. Now, let's get to the fourth and final phrase. This one's incredibly powerful because it goes beyond the surface. When you tell someone they're one of the most fascinating people you've ever met, you're acknowledging their depth, their intellect, and their uniqueness. It's a way of telling her that you see her for who she truly is, not just as an object of attraction, but as a person with layers. What makes this phrase so effective is that it feels deeply personal and meaningful. It's not just about complimenting her looks or the things she does. It's about valuing who she is at her core. This phrase says, "I appreciate the way you think, the way you speak, the way you live your life." It shows that you're not just drawn to her physically, but to her essence. The best way to deliver this line is to speak it sincerely and genuinely. It's not something you'd say casually. It's something that should come after a deep conversation or shared experience. Best time to use it: after an insightful conversation, particularly if she's shared something personal, surprising, or deeply meaningful about herself. This phrase works best after you've had a moment of connection, when you've really gotten to know her on a deeper level. How to make these phrases work. Okay, now that we've covered the phrases, let's talk about how to make them work. The most important thing to remember is that delivery is everything. It's not enough to just know the words. You need to say them with genuine intent. Women can tell when you're being authentic versus when you're just trying to impress. The key to making these phrases impactful is to be yourself. Don't overthink it, don't rehearse it, and definitely don't force it. The magic happens when you speak from the heart, and the words flow naturally in the moment. It's also important to listen and be present. If you're not fully engaged in the conversation, the phrases will feel hollow. But if you're truly in the moment and you're genuinely connecting with her, these lines will land with real impact. Final thoughts. Authenticity is the key. So, there you have it. 4 phrases that can instantly spark attraction and leave a lasting impression. But remember, it's not just about the words themselves. It's about the authenticity behind them. When you're genuine, when you're sincere, and when you truly connect with someone, that's when these phrases will have their full power. It's like anything in life. Practice makes perfect. The more you get comfortable with using these phrases naturally, the more effective they'll be in creating those deep, meaningful connections. If you want to take things to the next level and keep improving your connection skills, be sure to check out my next episode, where we'll dive even deeper into the art of attraction and how to build lasting, fulfilling relationships. Thanks for tuning in today. If you enjoyed this